Do you suffer from chronic pain, lack of flexibility, or even brain fog? Did you know that with positive brain changes, you can overcome pain, increase your vitality and wellness, and reverse limitations and deterioration associated with aging and injuries? Pain can be caused by injuries, surgeries, or other medical conditions. Most of our pain comes from the way we use our bodies. Your brain figures out how to move you, like the way you stand, the way you walk. Movements that you do every day can become habitual, rigid, and impulsive patterns of movement and are often the cause of the pain that we experience. I'm Diane Zimmermann, a Baniel method NeuroMovement practitioner. A Baniel method NeuroMovement is a cutting-edge, science-based approach that has helped thousands of people reduce or eliminate aches and chronic pain, and at the same time gain enhanced flexibility, strength, vitality, and well-being. Thanks to neuroscience and the discovery of brain plasticity, your brain can change for the better at any age. We now know the key for achieving greater vitality, mobility, and better memory, as well as overall wellness, lies in your brain's ability to wake up and create new neural connections. Using safe, gentle movements, the Anat Baniel method NeuroMovement, we tap into the brain's enormous potential for positive change to create new neural connections in your brain. This often leads to spontaneous, extraordinary breakthroughs in eliminating pain, improving flexibility, improving thinking, and even in your creativity. Come see me at the Healing Collective Functional and Integrative Medicine in Niwot, Colorado, and get ready for a whole new you.